So this was last class topic, which we discussed about persistent and non-persistent cookies. Persistent cookie means the cookie that will be stored in a file. Persistent cookie. Non-persistent cookie means cookie that is stored in browser. So if it is in browser, it is temporary. As long as the browser is on or it's open, we will have our data available in the browser. And where that cookie is stored is, it is in one server variable. And that server variable is http_cookie. In that variable, you'll have your data. http_cookie. There you'll have your information. And persistent in the sense, one cookie file is created, and that cookie file will be in the temporary internet file location for your browser. So if it is Internet Explorer, you'll have an temporary internet file location for IE. If it is Firefox, you'll have it Firefox. If it is Chrome, you'll have it Chrome. Okay, that is what we have discussed last session with this persistent and non-persistent cookie. Today, we are going to see one example. And in this example, let's see how to create persistent, non-persistent cookies, how to get cookie, how to remove cookie, how to get all cookies, how to destroy a cookie. Those are all things we'll see. Okay. So, exit from here. Open now Visual Studio. So, file, new, website. Then, this is website 23. Okay. Then, you'll have key value pairs. No? Data will be available in what? Key value pairs. So add one web form. So I'll call this as default.aspx. Click on add. Okay. Now, first you'll have what? Name value pairs. No? So I'll have name, static text, and I'll have ASP : text box, run at server. Then ID is equal to txt key. Yes. Okay. Then you'll have break line. Again, you'll have break line. Then value, key value pair. Then again, you'll have ASP : text box. Run at server. ID is equal to txt value. Txt value. Then close. Then you'll have break line, break line. Yes, this is key value pair. Next, what do you need is, yes, now I want to create a cookie. ASP colon button, button. Then same, run it server, run it server. Then text is equal to, this will create a cookie, set cookie, ID equal to btn set cookie, btn set cookie, and close this. This is one button. Then then I'll have again ASP colon button, run at server, text equal to, I'll write better, persist instead of set cookie, and better write non-persist cookie, non-persistent cookie. This is persist cookie. Then ID is equals to btn persist PR cookie. I'll write. This will be btn non-persistent cookie. Okay, non-per cookie and persistent cookie. Two things I create. Then ASP colon button, run. Run at server. Text is equal to text is equal to, here I'll write get cookie, get cookie. ID is equal to btn get cookie. Okay, again ASP colon button, run at server. Text is equals to destroy cookie. ID equal to btn destroy cookie. Then again ASP colon button, run at server. Text equal to get all cookies. ID equal to get all cookies. Then I'll have one button label here so that I can get all my cookies. Run at server. Run at server. ID equal to LBL value. This I'll have little gap also. Break line, break line, break line. Now see the button design. Yes, this is the design part. So we are going to learn now how to create name value pair. First non-persistent cookie, persistent cookie, get cookie, destroy cookie, get all cookies. And here I wantedly took one label. I took one label where whenever I click on this button, I should get all the list of cookies that are available in your file as well as in browser. Persistent and non-persistent cookies both. Okay. So Now, let's see how to create cookie first. Okay. Double click on non-persist cookie button. Now, here I create HTTP cookie C is equal to new HTTP cookie, and then I'll write txt key dot text. Yes. So this will create key. This will create key. Okay. You want to have value also. Okay. C dot value equal to txt value dot text. Txt value dot text. Two things are there. Now, as you know that in the picture last session I said always cookies are returned to either in browser or it is stored in file in the form of request. Sorry, in the form of response. That is what we discussed. In the form of what? Response. So how do you write here is response dot cookies collection, yeah, dot add of C. Yes. Before I go for this topic, let me just see whether that program is available or not. Let's open browser once. Internet Explorer, open that application, and here you type once here http://localhost slash demo asp6.asp. Yeah, I have this file that we studied in classic ASP. Here you find all the things: HTTP connection, HTTP accept encoding, HTTP accept language, HTTP host, HTTP user agent. But nowhere you find HTTP cookie. You don't find here. It's not there. Go on top and see. Top. Anywhere you find any information about so you don't find what HTTP cookie as a variable here. Okay, you don't find. Just remember, now we will demo. Here you see especially last these all. Here HTTP connection, HTTP accept encoding, accept language, HTTP host, HTTP user agent. Okay, now come back. Now first I'll create only this non-persistent code, nothing else in it. Only non-persistent code I will create. Let's run the code. I'll run this code. Still there is a lot of code to discuss in this topic. Only creation I have shown you. The two non-persistent cookie demonstration I give. Okay. Now, let's run this code. Yeah. Name C1 V1. Click. Yes, created. Created now. Now see what happens. Go to that previous variables. Re-execute. Come down now. Come down. Yes, here you can find. Here. Here one variable is added. HTTP cookie. This is added. Session ID. You have all this stuff. Re-execute again. Come down. Yes. Do one thing. Close this browser because that is non-persistent cookie we created. So it's only a browser. Okay. Exit from here and see what happens. Exit. Re-execute this file again. Come down. Cookie is there. Cookie. Okay, but will not be available for accessing. It shows, but it will not be available. Okay, I'll do one thing. Copy this once again. Close this. Open Internet Explorer once again. Copy that URL. Enter. Come down. Gone. HTTP cookie you don't find. It's gone. Because that was session related. It means as long as your browser is open, you have your non-persistent cookie available. And once that once browser is closed, cookie is destroyed. Cookie will be removed. Cookie will be removed. Okay. Now we will see how to create persistent cookie. Or okay, before seeing this, we will talk about retrieval also. Get cookie. So that you can experience both. Later I'll write persistent cookie logic. Okay. Same. HTTP cookie C equal to request dot cookies, and I should write txt key dot text. Yes. If C equal to null, then I want to get your value. Txt value dot text is equal to null. If it is null, then I should get a message not available. Not available. Else I should get value. Txt value dot text is equal to C dot value. Yes. We'll have two approaches now. If cookie is not available, So now here what I'm saying is for retrieval process, first I'm getting the key. If there is a key, what I gave is available. C will contain some value. If it is not available, it will be returning null and you'll get the message not available. If there is a value, if there is a key available, so C will contain some reference of it. That key name will be there. So obviously then that condition becomes false, you'll get the value. Let's try once so that you'll get an idea. However, I didn't write logic for non-persistent cookie. Sorry, persistent cookie. C1, V1. Okay, added. One more you create. C2, V2. Added. Now do one thing. You want to see that file also? Okay, run this file once. Come down. Yes, HTTP cookie. And you find. Okay, anyways, come back. Now we'll talk about retrieval. Cookie name C1, get cookie V1. C2, get cookie V2. C3, I don't have C3. So C3 I gave where this cookie is not available. So I'll get a message not available because you gave wrong key there. Now C1 if I give yes that is available. Yeah. C2 this is also available. C3 not available. Do one thing. Close the browser. Run the code once again. C1 browser is closed now. Get cookie. Gone. Cookie is not available. C1 not available. C2 not available. Gone. It's cookie means browser closed. Cookies are deleted. There is a reason they are called as non-persistent cookie. Okay. Now persistent cookie logic. For persistent cookie, now what you have to write is HTTP cookie C equal to new HTTP cookie txt key dot text. Okay, this is key value. C dot value is equal to txt value dot text. Okay. Now one rule is there. One rule. With that rule itself, oh, okay. What's the use of writing destroy cookies code when they are deleted when the browser is closed? Okay. That is destroy cookie. We actually have written which we are going to write for क्या बोलते हैं persistent cookies. Destroy cookies logic we are writing for persistent cookies, not for non-persistent cookies, because non-persistent, however, will be deleted. But in spite of that, still, if you are interested to delete, then you have a process, but actually we don't need. The destroy cookie is going to work only for deleting what? Persistent, because they are permanent now. So that if you want, you can delete them. Non-persistent, not needed at all. Because browser is closed, all non-persistent cookies are deleted. Okay. Now we require to have something related with the how to create a persistent cookie. How it will make a difference in creating persistent cookie. That part we should know now. Okay. So for that reason, what I do is here the only statement, that will make your cookie as a persistent cookie is this statement. C dot. You are going to set expiry for that cookie. If you set expiry for that cookie, then your cookie is persistent. If expiry is not written, then it is non-persistent cookie. So you can say date time dot now dot add minutes, 1 minute. Yes. After that, as usual, response dot cookies dot add C. Yes. Expiry will decide your cookie is persistent or non-persistent. Yeah. Response dot cookies dot add of C. Okay. Now let's create persistent and non-persistent, both examples. But these cookies will be available till 1 minute. After 1 minute, it will expire. Okay. Execute. I'll write C1, V1. Yes. C2, V2. Yes. C11, V11. Yes. C22, V22. Okay. Now let's start. C1. Okay. C2. Okay. C22. Okay. C11. Okay. C111. Not available. 2-1. Immediately close the browser. Run your program again. C1 not available. C11 it's available. Even I closed the browser, I re-executed my application. It will be available for you till you are with 1 minute. After 1 minute, C11 will no more be available. C22 still it is there. C2 no. C1 no. C11 gone. It was there 1 minute before. C22 gone. C22 gone. C11 gone. Yes. Because did you set the cookie expiry? No. It's not. We just set to add the cookie for 1 minute. After 1 minute, it is expired automatically. But sometimes cookie's life is set in such a way that it is forever. Permanently the cookies are available. So in that scenario, you can you can remove your cookies by destroying it. You have to write logic for that. That I'll let you know probably in the next part of this exam. Okay, did you understand? How to set the cookie, how to get a cookie, how to create persistent, non-persistent, how to get cookie. And I gave one tutorial, add minutes of one, I said, no? So you have been added. You have been added by 1 minute to the cookie here. 1 minute. If you want your cookies to be available, uh, for one day, the whole day, you want your cookies to be available, then you can say like this: expires. Yeah. Date time dot now dot add days 1 day. So till tomorrow 6:43 your cookie is available for you. Your data is available in your file, cookie file. Yeah, it's there in the file. Add days. This is for 1 day, 5 days, 7 days. You just keep the number there. Over. Yeah. If you want to set, yeah, Srinivas. Your next part I'm covering. C dot expires is equal to. So it should be like forever. Cookies should be there and should not be deleted automatically as the days go, minutes go, hours go. It should be forever and we have to delete the cookie. Yes, then you have to go like this. Date time dot max value over. This is forever. Never cookie gets deleted. Never. Did you understand? This is for 1 minute. After 1 minute got expired, add this will be there only for 1 day, and max value is forever. Cookie is never deleted. Never deleted. Now cookie you have to delete manually. You have to delete manually. Here, max value. If you set this max value, then cookie never expires. At that time, if you want to remove that cookie manually, then you have to write destroy cookie logic. Okay. Yeah. This is forever. So what is actually a max value? No? So maximum date, you can say. Max value is what? Maximum date. Whatever C# will accept. If you want to know how much what it displays of date time max value, I'll write here the same statement for your understanding. Response dot write date time dot max value. Okay, this is only for your reference I'm writing so that you would like to know. This is the maximum value for date plus break line. Okay, just for demonstration I'm writing. There is no other specific point, so that you should know now what is the maximum value it takes. For that reason I'm writing. See, 31/12/9/9/9/9. Never the date comes automatically, never we reach to that point. So date forever data is stored in the cookie. This is 2020. This is 2020 and this is 99th century, 99th year. That is the maximum date it will set. Maximum date. Maximum date. Okay. That is for your reference. I have added, not needed. Minimum value also you can check if you are interested. Minimum and maximum value, both you can check. Here. Minimum value for date. Execute. 111. Yeah. Last date 31/12/9/9/9/9. This is minimum, this is maximum. So if you want to expire the cookie, as you set this max value now, max value you have set with this one now. You want to destroy the cookie. If you want to destroy the cookie, manually, then do one thing. Maximum value you have set to this. Less one value you decrease over. Just decrease one value. One day less you say over. Max value minus one. At the time of destroying. So what will happen at that time? Now date will be considered as 30, 12, 9, 99, 99. It means you set maximum value to 31 and you want to destroy the cookie manually. Less one day you set that it will now you have changed the date to less one day, automatically cookie will be destroyed. Yeah, that's it. Did you understand that point, what I said last point? Maximum date you have set this now, so that cookie is forever. If you want to destroy the cookie, what I should do? Less one day you set over, cookie is destroyed. Max value minus one. Okay. Yeah, that's it. We'll stop the session here. Yeah. We'll see tomorrow.